Internal tensions within Zanu PF's ranks split into the open this week as war veterans clashed with the party leadership during a meeting in Harare. Sanopinda mashuka toona kuti aiwa nawe succession aiwa netension mairaptiro azoita the ruling party patoona kuti vakomana vemawar veterans nemamwe mainsiders varimo aiwa anyazoona kuti vari kunyatsoramba havasi kuti kubvumirana aiwa the 2030 amandra anoti subscribe like out on the bell icon tipina panapa muZimbabwe Daily vanyora vachiti the incident occurred when Opam Chinguri, the Zanu PF national chairperson, introduced the Vision 2030 slogan, which aims to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's term beyond 2028. The proposal faced a hostile reception, with war veterans vocally opposing the move. As Muchinguri attempted to promote the slogan, which ties the party's goals to Mnangagwa's continued leadership, she was met with boos and interruptions from the veterans, highlighting a growing rift within the ruling party. The war veterans, a crucial faction within Zanu PF, criticized nearly every point Muchinguri raised, reflecting their dissatisfaction with the direction of the party under Mnangagwa's leadership. The meeting quickly deteriorated, and media representatives were asked to leave as the confrontation grew more heated, indicating that party officials sought to contain the fallout from the public eye. The discord comes at a time when Zanu PF grappling with the significant internal divisions, particularly around the issue of succession and the future leadership of the party. The introduction of the 2030 slogan aimed at extending Mnangagwa's leadership tenure beyond the next cycle has stirred unease among various factions, many within the party believed. Ndomashuka nomudaita kwavana vationa kuti aiwa vakomana vari kuramba tonoti Opam Chinguri aiwa anonyatso kufesewa nemawar veterans vakatomuthreatena vakati aiwa iwo kana uchida kuendera mberi nethat slogan your days are numbered. Tichiona kuti vakomana kunyange nevakomana vemedia majournalists vanopedza vaburitswa in the house zvinzi aiwa zvakuitika munomu hazvingaiti zvipublicizwe. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pinda comment section vedu, subscribe or like and turn on the bell.